Welcome to Trendset Tech Info. In this video, I will show you how you can earn money using Adfly. Let's check what is Adfly. Adfly is famous for URL shortening service that may lead you to earn money. First, you have to create an Adfly account. Check the link in my description box. Sign up a new account by clicking on Join Now option. Next, fill up the following fields: your name, username, email, retype email. Select account type as link shrinker, create shortened URLs and earn money. Type your password, retype password. Fill up the text box with the given captcha. Check the box I agree to the terms and conditions. Then click on Join. As soon as completing the above procedure, you will receive an email for the verification. Follow the instructions in the email. Copy-paste the link in the email. Copy-paste the number. Then you will receive a confirmation message. Then again log in to your Adfly account using your email and password. Click on account option and update your all account information. Especially set the withdrawal information. Set both payment processor and withdrawal account. Then insert your photo. Now you are well set to start with Adfly. There are two ways where you can earn money with Adfly. First, sharing Adfly link. Let's check how you can share. Pick a YouTube video that you think people will like. Copy-paste the link. Then go to the home page of Adfly. Put the link in the blank box shown by an arrow saying that shorten a link. Now click on shrink. It will take some time to shorten the link. When the link is shortened, just copy the link, paste it in your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, email, etc. Post it with an attractive introduction. Let's check how you can earn money with this link. When visitors click on your post, especially they will see an Adfly advertisement first. After 5 seconds, they will see the skip ad option, just like in YouTube. If they click on skip ad option, they will see the original post. In the meanwhile, you will earn some money. Similarly, you can earn money by referring Adfly to other people. Let's check where you get this referral link. Below the referral program option, you will see your referral link. Refer this link to others. You can refer the link using Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, email, etc. As soon as people start to click on the referral link, you will start to earn. It is so easy. Let's check how to request for daily payment on Adfly. First, click on Withdraw. On the withdrawal page, scroll down to Daily Payments and click on the Request Payment button. Now, a payment verification mail will be sent to your email. To get your Adfly earnings balance, your account need to have $5. So you can request payment in 24 hours or wait for the next business day of the following month. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.